Hi, today let me show you how to get the shake effect in Premiere Pro. So without any delay, let's get to the video.
At first, right click inside the project panel, go to New Items, Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer above your video. Now, go to Effects panel and search for Directional Blur. Drag it on the adjustment layer and open the effects control. Change the blur length to 30. You can see the change here. Now, back to timeline, move the playhead to where you want your effects to be seen. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.